inbox. Many of them are planning for a physiotherapy clinic, but they don't know from where to start, how
Okay.
to start, and everything stuff. Okay,
Okay.
so let's start, Priyal. Just let us know like how you decided, why you thought of having a physiotherapy clinic.
Okay. So the day I entered my medical college, somewhat I was thinking I will have my own clinic someday. Okay. So that was the reason. As a physio, I want to open my own clinic, and with not only clinic, with a fitness center I wanted from beginning only. Then as the day went, years went, I was like कि हाँ इसमें तो बहुत कुछ है करने के लिए. हम फिटनेस सिर्फ हम मशीन नहीं, हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. फिटनेस के इससे इसमें बहुत सारे पार्ट्स है. So I have decided from beginning, and another main reason is as we practice in a hospital, it's protocol in some hospitals, but we can't practice our own. Like I want to practice my evening cupping. We can't practice in hospital, but in
Yes.
our own practice in our clinic, we can practice with the consent of the patient. In consent with consent form, we can practice our own like manual things more. Hospital, there are fixed protocols which are according to me. Yeah, I can't do with that. Like, I can't stick
Okay.
to that. I want more, many manual things rather than applying IFT for 3 days, 4 days. So it
Okay.
was my thought. So I want my own practice. I will open my own clinic for my own practice.
Okay.
That's it.
But how you choose your location for the clinic?
Choosing the location. First, I
I yeah, your camera is showing.
wait. Let me adjust this.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
sure.
giving me headache. So choosing the location, just choose the location wherever there is more locality situated, like located, ज़्यादा लोग हो. Most probably your clinic should be visible to more people, like on road, side of the road, not in the complex where we have to search for the clinic first floor, second floor. Just locate your clinic in a marketplace mainly. एंड मार्केट प्लेस के हिसाब से अगर तुम आजू बाजू में और ज्यादा कुछ मेडिकल्स है या फिर फिजिशियंस है, वेल एंड गुड, हेल्प भी मिल जाती है. सो चूज द लोकेशन इन अ मार्केट प्लेस वेर मोर पीपल आर लोकेटेड.
Priyal, I would like to ask you how much finance
Yes.
you invested in the beginning.
Okay, in the beginning, see, I have to start from a base, right? So from searching place, and I have rented my clinic. So from rent, deposit, all, should I just disclose the figure, how much?
I won't ask you to disclose the figure. Won't
So
look good, but yeah, you can give us a like basic rough idea.
from 1.5 to 2, in between 2, like till 2 you will just uh, have to expenses, like from 1.5 to 2 you will set your clinic very like अच्छा हो जाएगा. 2 चाहिए, 2 lakhs are more than enough, I will say, with
Okay,
all the modalities in
okay. And do
it.
you like you rented the modalities or you bought them
No,
from
no,
anywhere?
I just purchased it, all
Okay,
modalities.
any particular brand or something?
No, I will suggest you should use the Indian based company, and not Indian based company. Just keep this in mind that you should choose a trader which is located nearby to you, so that if problem comes in machine, he should be able to come to you in 4, 5, 6 hours, and he should fix it that day only. So I chose a trader who is located 5 to 6 kilometer away from me. If any problems comes to my machine, that day it will be solved. So
Okay,
Indian based company are best, and my modalities are Indian based.
okay. And how do you started with the advertisement thing? Like how you marketed about a clinic?
Marketing plays an important role. I will tell you. Setting a clinic was easy, but marketing, promotion, and उसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है, क्लिनिक तो सेट हो जाता है। सो फिर एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए वी नीड पैम्पलेट्स, वी नीड कार्ड्स, we need cards, pamphlets, and we have to first approach your physicians which are located surround means nearby to you. Approach physicians, diagnostic centers, and any fitness center like gyms and all. Approach them because we are going to get patient in for first. We will be getting patient by reference. So orthopedics, general physicians, diagnostic centers, सबके पास जाना है. We have to approach them. I am opening my clinic. There will be a fitness center and physiotherapy clinic nearby to you. Approach them कि आप refer कीजिए. तो promote करना उनके पास में. Inauguration, invite them for inauguration. They will come to your inauguration. That will be well and good. Interact with them. Tell them कि ऐसा ऐसा. Tell them about your clinic. Show them your clinic. So that will help in promotion. और उसके अलावा फ्लेक्स, प्रॉपर फ्लेक्सिंग, फ्लेक्स देन बोर्ड पे व्हाट ऑल आर योर स्पेशलिटीज, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग, व्हाट इज स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट. जैसे मेरा है एएनसी पीएनसी, आई गिव मोर इम्पोर्टेंस टू एएनसी पीएनसी एंड पिलाटेस, ISTM and all. I have mentioned that in like with the stars. Highlight your specialities in the what stand, हम स्टैंडी जो बनाते हैं बोर्ड्स,
Yes.
हाईलाइट करो. वुमेन हेल्थ जैसे मैंने हाईलाइट किया है.
Okay. As you know, Priyal, I have came live after a long time, so I'm so sorry,
Yes,
but
yes.
I missed introducing you. So that is Dr.
Okay.
Priyal Bisika. She
और
has
and
opened
I
her
also
clinic.
did.
Yeah, she has opened her clinic and it's in Pune. And it's been a long time that we wanted to have this. I wanted to you all to open a clinic soon, and I also wanted to discuss about these things about opening a clinic and all. Priyal, can you tell me what all registrations you did before planning for the clinic?
Okay, for practicing in Maharashtra, OTPT counseling is must. So OTPT counseling, the you need it. And second is for opening a clinic, you need a registration shop act. Okay, shop act is necessary, and means you can practice as a doctor. So I just had my OTPT registration and shop act. These are very necessary for opening a clinic. That's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I guess OTPT is for Maharashtra, guys. And if you are in
Yes,
some other
Maharashtra.
state, you need to see for your registration over there. If
Hmm.
your state has its own council, register with the council and then go ahead. Right, Priyal?
Yes,
Yeah. Priyal,
absolutely.
can you tell us like what kind of patients you get the most?
Most probably now I'm getting musculo patients with a shoulder pain, then shoulder, back pain, knee pain. That's it. And I get patient with ANCPNC. I'm like I have arranged in a batches, so they are there like 2 3. Because of COVID, now it's like patient flow is hampered, and I have just opened the clinic, so it
Yeah.
will take a time.
Okay. And as you said, it's like COVID. It's like post-COVID
Hmm.
we are working. So
Yes.
what precautions are you taking in this COVID situation?
Okay. The patient, as soon as the patient entered my clinic, I use disinfectant. I personally use gloves. I wear mask. Uh, I make sure that patient which enters, I use disinfectant sanitizer. Then I check his temperature, his or her temperature. Then I allow him. Then the all the things are treatment most probably.
Okay. Uh, can you tell us about like what were the stationaries like you're using currently,
Stationaries
like
like
bill books or something?
bill books. I'm using bill books, and on table basic stationery you're asking.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm using bill books. Then I will tell about my table. Okay, what all I have on the table.
Yes.
Bill book I have pen stand, I have one lamp, and my card and the card stand I have. Then
Like the normal
what else?
basic
And
stationery we use.
basics and a stationer. As a clinical point of view, you will ask me the equipments. So I have all the things which are like dumbbells, weight cups, then gozu ball, medicine ball, kettlebell, then pulley,
Like which can be
then what
currently
else?
used for
Shoulder.
every patient.
Hmm.
Okay.
Sorry?
Like which currently can be used for every patient, most of the patients.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. Till what you can tell us about the polyclinic thing?
Polyclinic things. Polyclinic things, actually, I really polyclinic things. If I'm practicing with orthopedic, it's okay. But rather than that, I don't prefer.
Yeah,
I
because
don't.
polyclinic, if someone had asked me, like, ma'am, what do you think about polyclinic? So the thing is, it is not an issue to work with a polyclinic also. But the thing happens in polyclinic is that the clinic is registered with someone other's name. Like
And
you
you
are
are
not
not
the
the
actual
owner.
owner. Yeah, you're neither
Yes,
the owner, you're neither the owner of it. So it is actually registered with someone else. You just go, you work, and you
and
come
you
back.
work there,
Yeah,
and
you
you
just
work
work there.
there
You just
under
don't own it.
under someone.
Yes, exactly. And yeah, Priyal, there is one thing. Like, I don't want to
Yes.
go against the orthopedics, but there are, like, you also might have faced this thing. Like, whenever we get some referrals, some
Hmm.
doctors might ask for a certain percentage. Have you
Yeah, yeah.
ever
That is very
came,
common.
yeah, have you came across such things? And if you have,
All
what have you done?
all the time. And actually, whenever I in starting, I started approaching many of the orthopedics. So my first target was orthopedics because they are the one who are gonna refer us.
Obviously.
So कोई कोई बोलते हैं कि देख लेंगे, कोई बोलते हैं परसेंटेज बता देते हैं, तो it goes both ways. कोई बोलता है, कोई नहीं बोलता है. So no comments on this. So it depends on the doctor.
But you
कोई
think giving a percentage to them is needed or is required?
See, they are helping us. We are getting patients from them. It is okay. But for them, as they get wholesome amount more than us, then I don't think so. They need it.
Okay. I guess I have covered all the questions which I had received that when I advertised about the live. Do you want
And
Priyal to explain anything or provide anything from your side?
anyone?
I don't think they're having any questions right now because they had already texted me a lot.
So did we clear all the points?
Yes, yes, I guess. Is there anyone want to ask any questions? Priyal, you want to share anything with us from your experience?
Experience about clinic.
Yes.
Okay, clinic. Will talk about in what all things experience you need to open the clinic. Like, okay, after internship, it's not possible if you are fresher and you are opening a clinic. You should take the clinic experience, ICU experience, hospital experience, take all the experience, and then start. And most probably, if you should work in a clinic. If you're working in a clinic, you will get the idea and the tricks and tips in the clinic,
About
how to
how to
run a
run
clinic.
yours.
Run a
Yes.
clinic. So please, before opening a clinic, start working in a clinic and hospital. Hospital is also must. बट क्लिनिक में काम करो, उससे समझ में आता है कि क्या क्या आगे हो सकता है, क्लिनिक कैसे मैनेज करना है. सो प्लीज वर्क इन अ क्लिनिक, देन थिंक ऑफ ओपनिंग अ क्लिनिक.
Okay. What about there is one question, Priyal. What about partnership? Opening a clinic in partnership.
See, in my case, I will tell you, I was thinking to do like in open a clinic in a partnership. Then, cause I can't keep my clinic open like in morning also and evening also. Both time is not feasible for me. So in morning I work in a hospital. So most of the time, most probably I thought of that, but not required. अगर लगता है तो रखो पार्टनर, पर नहीं फिर उसमें भी ऐसा हो जाता है आगे जाके क्रैंकीनेस आ जाता है. मैंने एक्सपीरियंस
Yes.
किया है. सो जस्ट अपना यू आर टेल यू द क्वेश्चन वाज अपना ओन क्लिनिक का, तो अपना ओन
Yes.
क्लिनिक रखो यार. नहीं नहीं, पार्टनरशिप डोंट बिलीव इन दैट. जस्ट अगर इंटर्न्स वगैरह रख रहे हो कुछ वैसा चलेगा, बट डोंट ओपन द क्लिनिक इन अ पार्टनरशिप.
Okay.
You
There
can't
is
then call
also
it's my own clinic.
there is also a question. Can we open clinic after BPT bachelor's? I guess yes,
Yeah,
many
of course.
do
Why
that.
not? I'm
Yes,
BPTH.
yes. And we have. What about the minimum experience you should open a clinic after? I would personally suggest
Um,
don't open a clinic as soon as you get out of the college. Give some experience
कॉलेज
to
नो.
yourself.
इंटर्नशिप्स वगैरह हम किसी के अंडर करते हैं, किसी के मीन्स हम किसी के अंडर होते हैं, अपने को बचाने के लिए बहुत कुछ होता है. जब तुम बाहर निकलते हो इंटर्नशिप के बाद में, क्लिनिक में काम करते हो, हॉस्पिटल में काम करते हो, तभी एचओडी ऐसा नहीं हमें स्पून फीड करता कि तुमको ये करना है. तभी हमें डायग्नोसिस से लेके सब कुछ फट फट आना चाहिए. तो उसके लिए टाइम लगता है टू मेंटेन दैट स्किल. सो टेक 2 or 1.5 years of experience, should work in a clinic, then open कीजिए. 2 years का तो एक्सपीरियंस ले लो. और ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही जगह पे रहो, चेंज योर वर्किंग प्लेसेस. लाइक एक क्लिनिक से ये सीखा है तो दूसरे हॉस्पिटल पार्ट एंड गो फॉर पार्ट टाइम. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ऐसे क्लिनिक करो, फिर कुछ पार्ट टाइम हॉस्पिटल उसी टाइम पे कर लो. तो बहुत हेल्प मिलती है कि तुम बोथ वेज से कर पाते हो. मत ये.
Yes. There is a question what is the difference between Indian techniques and that are adopted here and techniques adopted by abroad physio students? I don't think real we both are eligible to answer this because we both haven't been abroad yet. And if there is some
Exactly.
techniques, I would suggest there is a page on YouTube which I won't say about it now. I will inbox you. I'll just see this username. I'll inbox you about it. There are many other techniques which we mostly don't use in India, but I won't disclose this in this live. So the next
Hmm.
question is like, ma'am, I'm doing internship in Maharashtra as I'm
Hmm.
doing my bachelor from Bangalore, and yes, it's what's the procedure for it? As she said before, that if you want to practice in Maharashtra, OTPT is compulsory. Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, how much amount is required to open a clinic? She's already discussed it. I will upload it again. It is necessary to have a MPT degree to continue clinic in a long run. I
Sorry,
don't
I didn't
think
get
so.
you.
It is. Is it important to have a master's degree to continue a clinic?
Not needed. If you,
Exactly.
if you, not needed exactly.
Yeah, it is like a personal personal thing that if you want to do masters, fine, not an
Do
issue. You
it.
get some more knowledge about the same. But to run a clinic, I don't think you need a master's
Need
degree.
a master's,
You actually
master's
need
degree,
some good experience and some good skills
experience
to
and
open a clinic.
hmm.
Is it better to do masters in foreign than in India? That I have already discussed. There's already a live on that. Fine then, Priyal, I guess we have covered all the questions here. Thank you so much.
Okay.
She's already having a workshop after this and still she has given me time. Thank you so much, Priyal. Yeah.
अरे थैंक यू. आई एम हैप्पी. फिजियोथेरेपी डे हमने बोला था ना.
Yes, yes, yes. We
यस
said it. We
बोला था,
said
बोला था.
it.
यस.
Okay.
ओके, थैंक यू
Fine then.
प्रणोति.
Most welcome, most welcome. I'll sign off, and I'll people who aren't there on YouTube, like many of them have commented on, texted me on WhatsApp that my friends aren't on Insta. What has to be done? I'll upload this video on YouTube also. Yeah, fine then.
ओके,
Chalo, bye,
चलो
Priyal.
बाय. थैंक्स.
Most
चलो बाय
welcome.
बाय.
Bye.